Volvo's fully electric EX90 might represent the future of the brand, but it's not the end of the line for their largest gas-powered SUV, the XC90. While there are no plans for an entirely new model, the current XC90 is receiving another update, keeping it fresh and competitive. This facelift, following the previous one in 2019, focuses on enhancing both the exterior and interior to ensure the SUV remains relevant. Despite being on the market for over a decade, the XC90 continues to age gracefully. The latest updates include a redesigned grille and subtly modified headlights with an updated LED pattern. The front bumper has also been revamped, now featuring vertical air vents, while the lower air intake has been extended outward. At the rear, the taillights retain their familiar shape but now sport a refreshed light design. Inside, the changes are more significant. The previous 9-inch infotainment screen has been replaced by a larger 11.2-inch display, prominently mounted on the dashboard like a tablet. This new screen boasts 21% higher pixel density, offering a sharper and more vibrant display. For those seeking even more screen real estate, the EX90 comes with a massive 14.5-inch infotainment system. The updated user interface offers easier access to apps and functions, with shortcuts conveniently placed on the home screen. For those opting for the plug-in hybrid version of the XC90, switching to fully electric mode is now as simple as a single tap. This new layout aligns with Volvo's recent design philosophy, even though the XC90 has been around since 2014. Additional upgrades include improved soundproofing in certain areas, contributing to a quieter cabin experience. The dashboard now features redesigned air vents and decorative panels crafted from recycled materials. Practicality has also been enhanced with additional storage space in the center console, including an extra cup holder. The wireless charging pad has been repositioned behind the central tunnel, making it less obtrusive and separate from the storage area. While Volvo has not yet disclosed full technical specifications, it has been confirmed that diesel engines are no longer available. The plug-in hybrid version is expected to deliver over 43 miles of electric range on the WLTP cycle and more than 497 miles when combining both gas and electric power. In the US, the outgoing plug-in hybrid is rated for 32 miles of electric range, with a total range of 530 miles. Alongside the T8 plug-in hybrid, Volvo will continue offering B5 and B6 models with mild hybrid systems. The air suspension system remains an option, allowing the SUV to raise or lower by over an inch depending on driving conditions. The active chassis system monitors the road and vehicle up to 500 times per second, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. Orders for the updated XC90 are now open, with production scheduled to begin later this year and deliveries to follow soon after. This refresh demonstrates that gas-powered vehicles like the XC90 are not going away anytime soon.